Christy Carty, Realtor at HomeSmart, your sunny source in AZ Real Estate, where you'll find all of the latest news, best practices, and of course, healthy home and healthy living guru. Come see why this house is so unique to Sun City. Features such as a corner lot with an RV gate and block fencing surrounding the property, perfect for the outdoorsman seeking added security. The sunroom, gazebo, and tough shed make this a highly desirable oasis for those who enjoy spending time outdoors. Open concept floor plan steps away into the large backyard, perfect for hosting friends and family. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, travertine flooring, and wood panel wall features you will fall in love with. If you appreciate a private, spacious backyard, but also enjoy a community feel, this home is calling your name. Contact Christy, your sunny source in AZ Real Estate.